The screen boldly declares, "Study smarter with ChatGPT," as the host fills the frame with infectious energy and a welcoming smile. With lively gestures, the host introduces the video, promising students a revolution in study habits with ChatGPT. Animated graphics flash across the screen, depicting students engrossed in their studies and laptops, illustrating ChatGPT's transformative impact. The host confidently announces, "I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT for learning. Trust me, you won't want to miss this." On the screen, the bold declaration, "ChatGPT, as your AI tutor," heralds a new era of AI-assisted education. A host unveils the transformative power of ChatGPT, capable of unraveling the most complex math and science enigmas with step-by-step precision. The screen illuminates with a mesmerizing recording of ChatGPT effortlessly dissecting a math problem, its logic unfolding through explanatory text overlays. The screen illuminates with the bold declaration, "AI, powered writing assistant," hinting at a revolutionary shift in the art of composition. With captivating enthusiasm, the host unveils ChatGPT's ability to craft intricate outlines and refined thesis statements, promising to transform every student's academic journey. In a mesmerizing display of real-time creation, ChatGPT conjures an essay outline, showcasing its unparalleled prowess in structure and analysis. On the radiant screen, the words "ChatGPT for Research Made Easy" ignite a spark of innovation, promising to revolutionize the way we explore knowledge. With a flourish, a host unveils the magic of ChatGPT, demonstrating its ability to distill complex articles and unearth hidden sources, transforming research into an effortless journey. As ChatGPT swiftly digests a lengthy article, it reveals its prowess in simplifying the labyrinth of information, turning daunting tasks into moments of clarity and insight. The screen illuminates with the promise of AI-driven organization, using AI to stay organized. The host unveils the power of ChatGPT, demonstrating its prowess in crafting detailed study schedules and streamlining tasks. In a mesmerizing display, ChatGPT conjures a personalized study plan, visually unfolding before our eyes. A vibrant on-screen invitation flashes, beckoning viewers to explore the boundless possibilities of ChatGPT today. As the subscribe button pulsates with irresistible energy, the host exclaims, "Try ChatGPT today and share your experiences in the comments."